Welcome back to Diverse Drive. Today, I will be taking you back in time. Have you ever wondered where it all began? How the Earth, the cradle of life, came to exist in the vast, silent theater of the universe? Today, we'll journey back 4.6 billion years to uncover the ultimate beginning. It all began with a giant cloud solar nebula composed of hydrogen, helium, and the remnants of ancient stars. But this wasn't just any cloud. A cosmic event, perhaps a nearby supernova, set it into motion. Gravity pulled the particles inward, compressing them into a spinning, flattening disk. At its heart, pressure and heat ignited nuclear fusion, and a new star was born, our sun. Surrounding the newborn sun was a chaotic disk of dust and gas. Tiny particles collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger clumps. Over millions of years, these clumps became planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Among these clumps was the Earth, growing through violent collisions and intense heat, a fiery, molten world, unrecognizable from the planet we know today. But the story of Earth's birth took a dramatic turn. A massive object, Theia, collided with the young Earth. The impact was catastrophic, but transformative. The debris from this collision coalesced, forming a glowing satellite, our moon. This collision not only shaped Earth's tilt, giving us seasons, but also stabilized its orbit, paving the way for life. As Earth cooled, volcanic eruptions released gases that formed the early atmosphere. Water vapor condensed, falling as torrential rain for thousands of years. Oceans began to take shape, cradling the chemistry of life. The stage was set for something extraordinary, the emergence of life itself. From the chaos of collisions to the serenity of oceans, Earth's story is a testament to the power of cosmic forces. It's a story of fire and water, destruction and creation, a story that continues to unfold. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more explorations of the universe's greatest mysteries.